Introducing the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus Pool Vacuum. Forget the hassles of hoses and cords and experience ultimate portability and powerful cleaning at depths of up to 13 feet. The lightweight and maneuverable design delivers wall-to-wall cleaning and allows for handheld use for unmatched versatility. The removable head and wide inlet allow for large debris pickup, and the 1.7-liter tank capacity allows you to get the job done faster. 1 Plus compatibility allows you to use any 18V 1 Plus battery on any RYOBI 1 Plus tool. The RYOBI 18V 1 Plus Pool Vacuum, part of the 1 Plus system, exclusively at the Home Depot.